Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. If you like my research and if you want to support my research, you can donate by using this Google Pay and Pay, Phone Pay and Paytm. Let's go to the Nifty, how it has closed on Tuesday. Nifty, as expected, it has closed in the negative 14,490.50, 137.65 points in the negative, 0.94% in the negative. Opened in the positive and it went high around 14,723.40 and low went around 14,461.50 and closed a little bit up after reaching downfall from the demo opening, and closed bit recovered around 40 points and closed at 14,496.50. Let's go to our review. We have predicted that the market having the chances to go reach around 0.62% up to that level of bearish open target level around 90 points. Exactly that is what happened. 14,972 point, sorry, 14,974.88. The high is almost near within the range of 3-point level. So we expected this particular 0.62%. Exactly it has matched. After matching that level, we started to go for a bearish and we purchased some put option and it has gone down, and exactly that is what happened. It has fallen from that particular level almost 270 points from the high. So our data is exactly given the picture, but we have one more new lower side target, which is because of the low is not matching, and this 14,456.71 is opened because that level is not matching with the 3-point range. It has below that level, it has to be 3-point range or in the stop loss range, but it is above that level, the low is not matching. So that right now we have one more target. We already have 14,404.32. One target is there. If you saw my video, means yesterday video, you would have known this. And we have one more target, which is 14,456.71. So these two targets we need to track today. But at the same time, our data is indicating positive side as well. So I'll let you know after seeing those today's chart. Let's go to the group calls. What are the calls we given? As per the data, it is clearly shown positive side, but the volatile is there, so it has a chance to fall down. And we also given specifically about that 0.62%. We know about this lower side target of 14,404.32, but still we found initially around 0.71 having the chances, but after found the frequency, that particular point percentage was decreased from 0.71 to 0.62. That is what we highlighted. So roughly 90 point exactly it has reached near to that 90 points on from Tuesday. So it is a very good result for us because 80% of the time it will reach that particular level. It is exactly happened, and after that it has started to fall down because of we have this lower say target 14,404. So the market will attract towards that level, and exactly that is what happened. We also given the level to be maintained because we have this kind of a target in the lower side. So we have the 80% on the upper side, which means you need to play both options. It is not going to be easy to trade because of the volatile market. So you need to keep both options in, and that is what happened. Exactly it has. We also kept both options in, and we want to give that 14,950 at the peak when the market is reaching 0.62%. So that time we want to exit. So our data is very much clear because we given the clear picture. Initially the low is also matched, but we know that low is matching also, but still we have the lower side target 14,404. So we can keep the put option, but once the high is matching, then we need to exit because there is no different points between the 0.62 and 0.61. The points difference is negligible, 0.7 something. So that is where after we found that particular levels, we wanted to play for the lower side target. So Nifty may fall down towards to 14,404. So it has fallen down, but shortfall of somewhere 60 points, 61 points. It has fallen down to 14,461, and we also enjoyed that yesterday market. So we clearly pointed out, and the 5 minute chart also indicated that fall is very much happening. There is a chance as well. So we wanted to play as well in a safe way, and this is the method which the both side 10 points, even one, if anyone booked a profit, I mean, booked both side 10 means they would have gained a bit minimum at least around 500. That is the method we are asking to trade for a small traders, so it will give you a small return as well. And the positive side target, once it is sitting, means we need to go for the negative. And this is the Wednesday data which I pointed out, that the frequency is there in the positive side around 1.13%. so this data given well in advance at 2 p.m. itself, so which is clearly Wednesday indicated the evenly poised, which means evenly poised means all three results possible. You need to play much more cautiously, and at the same time 50% positive, so which means once again the market after the fall still it has a potential to go up on Wednesday. That is what the indication. So we asked to book profit after reaching certain level on the downside. So I asked to exit, because whoever want to take a high risk they can hold, but still I asked to exit that particular 14,450 put option, because it went somewhere around 101. So it is a good profit for us, even though we shortfall of some 60 points. But still after the end of the day we asked to buy 14,700 call option as well as 14,300 put option, both put together, due to the market is showing like that. So that is the reason we asked to buy those combinations, because if the market is started to go up, as right now the HDX Nifty is showing, so we try to sell this or keep trail stop loss and exit somewhere after reaching certain high and matching with the data, and then we plan to exit with the profit and then hold this 14,300 put option and the market to started to fall down. So it is a quite risky day to trade in this kind of day. Why? Because it is not going to be easy to trade on those specifically. And the SGX morning it is shown somewhere around 58 points in the positive, and the data which we are holding 14,700 call option, we are planning to trail the stop loss as well. So these are all the data, and this is the support and resistance level for the day. This is the support and resistance level for the Wednesday. So the market needs to go, I mean market will try to go towards to the frequency level, because frequency is there around 1.13%, but still it might turn around from any level as well. So it might turn around from any level as well. So the high we need to check how it is going to match. So it is not going to be easy to trade on this particular day, so you must have to keep both options in hand. And these are all the par value which so the par value, anything opens below this level, it will attract the downside lower target. But if the par value is anything pre-opening is above that level, it will try to act it. But it is a volatile day, it is evenly positive, it might go any level. So that is the reason we are asking to keep both options in hand. At the same time RBI policy, some kind of meeting is there. So these are all the levels, extreme bullish levels and stop loss, and bullish market and stop loss, extreme bearish market level and stop loss, and these are all the pending targets. So once again we need to go with the both side options. And the RBI meeting is there around 10 o'clock in the morning. So we have the two pending target, 14,404 as well as 14,456. So we can buy a small put option and take a chance on this particular day after the market has gone up towards the positive side. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. Thank you.